currently chairing the steering committee. And I also wanted to thank Debbie Mitchell and her team who has organized this meeting, and also Tarek Daly, who as the early career secretary has also been of tremendous help, as well as the entire steering committee, which is on the next slide as soon as I can. There.
Please
okay.
record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1.
Okay. So here's the current steering committee, and the people who are in green are rotating off in August. Elena Adams, who's our technology lead, Mike DeSanti, and David Gertis. And I want to thank these three people for serving on the steering committee. We had an election on the steering committee for the new members, and we selected 4 members: Tim Titus from USGS, Henry Shea from PSI, Justin Atchison from APL, who's our new technology lead, and Stephanie Jarmack, who's our early career secretary. So I wanted to thank everybody for not only serving, but for stepping up to serve. Also wanted to mention that we had a really good crop of people who volunteered to serve. And we want to mention that, you know, we deemed them all qualified, and selecting people is really not a reflection on anybody's abilities, but it's more to get diversity within our committee. We have to look for institution, career level, the geographic area that you're from, type of institution, the field that you're in. So it's really, if you did apply and we didn't select you, please continue to apply, because we have so many considerations that we really would like to encourage people to continue to apply. Okay, so we also have our representatives, Tom Statler, for our NASA headquarters liaison, Jake Bleacher, our human exploration and operations mission directorate, and he's actually going to give a presentation today, and Paul Abel, who's our HEOMD observer. Okay, so I'm just going to briefly go over the agenda and then we'll start. Want to mention that we do need to keep on schedule because we have a long meeting and people are going to be coming in and out, and we want to give them the flexibility to listen to the meetings that they, or rather the presentations that they just need to listen to. Okay, so we'll have our, Tom is going to give our Planetary Science Division update, response to the findings. Lindley Johnson is going to come on to give our Planetary Defense Office update. As I said, Jake is going to give our HEOMD update. Lance Benner and Flaviano Vendetti are going to come on and talk to us about updates on trying to recover some of the science from the Arecibo demise. Vishnu Reddy is going to talk about our Apophis ground-based observing program. Then we have a bunch of 2-minute early career lightning talks. And then we have our first, later this morning, Pacific time, mid-afternoon, Eastern time, we have our open mic. Then we take our first of 2 breaks. We have 2 long breaks to accommodate lunches. Then we have our 3 early career 15-minute talks, longer talks. And then we have the summary from the Planetary Defense Conference, including the Planetary Defense Conference tabletop exercise. That's our schedule. I'm going to turn it over to Tom.